This is Boeing. We ended the week at 234.42, up 0.96%. Resistance, take profit, 236.64, 238.68. Down the road, 240.82. The middle of the trend is here, very close to this line I've already drawn out. And I'm not going to go back. I will just delete it. I don't need these lines. These are for you to check out. But if you mark it, you can kind of give yourself an idea of where support might be, and it will bounce off of that. Or we could grind sideways or follow this green line down. Okay, another level of support is roughly at 228.20. Below that, 226.14, 224.10. All right, what happened last week? Wow, look at that. What a massive run up. So we started here, sold off at resistance, fell down, on the way up, resistance, and now we're trying to make our way up here. We have this still in play at 216.83. From here to here is roughly 11%. Wow, very nice. Oh, let's clean this up. Oh, wait. Yeah, that is a gap that filled. So let's clean this up. That opened, or not opened up, closed on Monday. So this is no longer in play. 231.58 is gone. 227.62, no longer there as well. Now, what else? Ooh, we have this. That is down the road. We are in a downward channel, but things can turn around quickly. And then we have other gaps to the south side to watch out for: landmines or pullbacks, dollar cost averaging areas to buy in at a better price possibly. Right, the outer band on the lower side could take us back down to this area, 215.52. Moving on, this is Nike. We ended the week at 41.70, down 0.71%. Resistance takes us back to this line, 42.06. Another level of resistance, take